Repair these Sony LinkBuds clip earbuds. I'm going to show you to perform a factory reset on these. You want to do a factory reset. If you can't put it in a pairing mode, you have issues pairing or connecting, maybe one side's not working, maybe it keeps disconnecting, maybe it's out of sync, and so on. Anyway, with a factory reset is very simple, okay? So both the buds are in a case. I'm going to open these up here. I'm going to leave the buds in the case, and if you look on the back of the case here, you have this little round button here. What I want to do is press and hold that little round button and keep holding for like 20 seconds or so, or just wait until it starts blinking orange, orange, orange here, okay? So we'll do it together. That button here, ready, set, go. Press and hold. Now I'm holding, keep holding, just wait. We want orange, 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 okay? It's blinking blue, 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 but we want orange, orange, orange. So continue to hold. Still holding. Okay, there you go. Orange, orange. Go ahead and let go. And now it's performing the factory reset. Okay, once it's done, it should go to like a solid green light, and then it's going to go off. Okay, so the factory reset is done. Now, the thing was, before we did the factory reset, I was currently connected or paired to this iPhone here. So if I want to connect it back to this iPhone, what I have to do is go to my settings here, my Bluetooth settings. And before I was paired to this, remember? So I gotta go ahead and remove it off my pairing list. So I'll click on the settings there, and I'm gonna forget this device. If you're on an iPhone, it's like unpair. So I'm gonna forget the device, okay? Now I can connect back to this phone here. Okay, so let me just put it in pairing mode. That button is back here. Press and hold. Oops. Press and hold that button, ready to go. And just keep holding until it starts blinking blue, 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 blue. Still holding. Now it's blue, 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 blue. Now it's in pairing mode. Now I can connect back to this phone here. It did find the LinkBuds right there. Let's tap that. And voila, we're connected back to this iPhone. Pretty simple. Questions or issues? Comment below.